Volcanoes. The Earth's crust, a 30-kilometer thick layer of granite and basalt, spanning across vast horizons around the globe, dividing it proportionately into oceanic crust and the continental crust, harbors one of the most fearsome yet charming wonders of Mother Nature, the volcano. Yes, the volcano, an opening or rupture on the Earth's surface, tunneling deep into the crust and paving way for the hot magma, volcanic ash and gases to escape from the surface below. In simple terms, a grand channel for eruption of molten rock on the Earth's surface. The magma, which lies beneath the surface of the Earth, slowly forming inside the volcano, is a 700 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius hot mixture of molten rock, volatiles, solids, suspended crystals and dissolved gases. Some rare magma carbonatite melt at a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius, whereas some comatite melt at a temperature as hot as 1600 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, molten rock expelled by a volcano during an eruption and the resulting rock formed after solidification and cooling is referred to as lava. This liquid can go up to temperatures ranging from 700 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius, up to 100,000 times as viscous as water. Its thixotropic and shear thinning properties make it flow great distances before cooling and solidifying. The structure and content of a volcano primarily consists of magma, magma chamber, fissure vents, conduit and branch pipes, crater, summit, a flank and silt. The magma flows through the magma chamber via conduit and branch pipes and erupts or releases onto the surface from fissure vents or the crater. The magma comes out in the form of ash or lava. The Earth's crust, which is made up of huge slabs called plates in the mantle, fit together like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. These plates sometimes tend to move and thus the two plates collide to lead one section to slide on top of the other. The one beneath is pushed down, squeezing magma between the two plates. It is called the theory of tectonic plates. The pressure on magma chamber forces magma up through the conduit and out the volcano's vents. When the magma chamber gets completely filled, eruption takes place, which depends a lot on the amount of gases and silica in the magma. Water provides the explosive potential of steam. In the first scenario, the water and the silica content is low. Therefore, the lava flowing is usually not viscous at all. In the second scenario, the water content is low, but the silica content is high. This results into the formation of pasty lava, often building up domes on the top. In the third scenario, the water content is high, but the silica content is low. This forms a fountain of running lava, which is not viscous in nature. In the fourth scenario, the water content is extremely high, along with the silica content, which leads to an immense explosion and formation of highly viscous lava. Moving on to the types of volcanoes. Cinder cones, which are generally quite regular, are circular or oval cones made up of small fragments of lava from a single vent that have been blown into the air, cooled and fallen around the vent. On the other hand, lava domes are formed when erupting lava is too thick to flow and makes an overturned bowl mound as the lava piles up near the volcanic vent. Composite volcanoes are steep-sided volcanoes composed of many layers of volcanic rocks, usually made from high viscosity lava, ash and rock debris. Finally, shield volcanoes are volcanoes shaped like a bowl or shield in the middle, with long gentle slopes made by basaltic lava flows called flood basalts. Volcanoes are further classified on the basis of their activity. Active volcanoes that erupt regularly, dormant volcanoes that have not erupted for many years, although there is still some activity deep inside, and extinct volcanoes that are no longer active. There are around 1,510 active volcanoes in the world. We currently know of 80 or more which are under the oceans. Some of the most famous ones include Mount Pelée, Mount Fuji, Mount Etna and Vesuvius. Also, there is an area called Pacific Ring of Fire encircling the basin of the Pacific Ocean, which is a witness to frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It has around 452 volcanoes and is home to over 50% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes.